Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Asus monitor is not detecting HDMI, and it's really easy and simple to fix this, guys. So first things first, I'm going to show you 4 ways. So first way is to make sure you have actually connected a HDMI cable and not a standard cable. This is what HDMI cable looks like. These are the ends, and you want to connect this end to, for example, this is your monitor. You want to look for the HDMI text, and then you will find the corresponding place to plug this in. So right here, you plug this in right here. These are USB ports, okay? Not HDMI ports. This is an HDMI port. This is a USB port right here, these ones. This is also an HDMI port. So you want to plug it in these ones, okay? Make sure you've plugged it in the correct place. Then the next way is to go ahead and manually detect your display. This is what you do. Go to your desktop. Now right click on Start. Click on your settings, okay? And now once this opens up, I'll show you what exactly we need to do. Click on System. All right, now once this loads up, go ahead to Display. Scroll down and you'll see this option right here that says Multiple Displays. Click on a Detect button right here. And it will basically go ahead and detect any other displays. I currently don't have a monitor connected, so I'm going to close this right now. The next way would be to check and change your projection setting, okay? And then you can go ahead and update your driver display. So right click on Start again, and then go ahead and click on a device manager from the list of options. Now once this loads up, I'm going to show you what exactly we need to do and how we're going to be updating our display driver. So right here you'll see the option display adapters. Click on this arrow, it will bring up your display adapter. For me, I have an Intel HD graphics. I'm going to close this. Right click here, click on update driver. Okay, and then you just want to click on search automatically for updated driver software, and then go ahead and install that. Really easy and simple. The next way is to detect displays using Intel graphics control panel. Okay, so this is what you do, guys, right? Go to your desktop, find any empty space, and go ahead and right click and click on graphics properties, and this will open up. Now from here, you just want to click on display. Okay, and once display loads up, go ahead and click on multiple displays and scroll down. Here you'll see this option right here that says select one or more active displays. So you're going to click here and choose the external monitor or TV from this section. You will see that if you have it connected. So for example, here you should see another option that says Asus monitor. Okay, and just go ahead and connect to that, click on apply, and then save. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you in the next one.